I'm going to take you guys through a 30-day journey of how I'm taking my hair from this
Oh my god! Wow!
to a hair full of a 360 waves. My name is Easy, and you can call me a body spinning for the sake of the video. Yeah. Basically, we are going to be talking about 360 waves and the simple things you need to do to get your 360 waves intact. Yeah, to get the normal steez. So I've had 360 waves for like a year or two, but then I decided to scalp it off to take you guys through the journey so we can start afresh. So you don't need to worry about your hair being full or your hair being too low or whatever. You can actually start from anywhere. So yeah, wave is actually versatile. You can do it with your full hair, your low hair, so whichever one you like to go. Also, just like the people that does cocoa waves and the likes, the way they find their thing attractive. So if you find waves attractive like I do, so this is your right plug. It's actually not going to cost you much, and is the maintenance is really low. You don't have to do much, you just have to put in a little bit of work. Then consistency, when you're consistent, you get your waves intact. Basically, I'll be putting you guys through a 30-day journey. Yeah, so I'll be showing you each of the products I use for the simple products. They are easily accessible. When my hair goes out a bit, then in the next few days you will be able to start a 30-day journey. And I would implore you to subscribe, so when the video gets started you'll be notified, and then you can follow up the journey that way. So I'm going to be showing you guys a few products I use, and they are easily accessible. You can get them at any stores around you. So the most important thing here is the wave brush. Yeah, the wave brush, because you would have to brush your waves. You would have to brush them for at least 30 minutes to an hour per day. Your pomade, you would have to apply this to keep your waves intact. I use this and this. This is actually more you can get this anywhere, but then this, I got this from Jumia, so I can recommend this as well. I use them together. So, and then your durag, because after your brushing session you don't want to lose your progress, and you want to lay your waves down, and because when you sleep, it's the way you tamper with your hair and everything, it disorganizes your waves sometimes. So you want to keep your progress and lay your waves down, you need a drag, a silky drag precisely. So what else, I use this as well to keep my waves shiny. So after the brushing session and yeah, the brushing session and okay, ziplock, I'll show you that after the brushing session you add this to keep your waves shiny. It's not very compulsory, but I recommend it. This is a ziplock bag. This is actually very essential and is underrated. Yeah, because when you are done with your brushing session and applying the necessary products, you want to lay your waves down, like you want to lay it down more after the brushing session. So you do this for about a minute. Yeah, just lay it down, then you apply your drag afterwards. So we have the shampoo and the conditioner. This is a leave-in conditioner and a washout conditioner. These are the things that we'll be using when we start our 30-day journey for the wash and style method. Yeah, so the shampoo is what we'll be using for the wash and style. Yeah, this is the most important one, while this is when you need to like scramble wash and wash out dirt from your hair. And this you can just put it anytime. It softens your hair and give you a better feel. So you can use this, let's say, twice in a week. Yeah, we have an essential oil. So after your wash and style, you don't want to leave, because after your wash and style you get some dirt stuck at the last part of your hair. So you apply the oil there, so at the end of the day you don't get dandruff stick on those parts. Yeah, so a lot of people are familiar with this. So when you use this, you get your waves very fast, and after 2 to 3 days you find out that your waves are disappearing. So, and I don't recommend it, though I've used it in the past. So I'm bringing this out just to show anyone that is still using this, that this is not the best way to get waves, because I feel like it damages your scalp if you keep using it continuously. So, and it's just like a fast way to get waves, and it's not advisable. If you want to get waves, you need to put in work. Yeah. And lastly, we have the derma roller, and this is for people that have a receding hairline. So if you want to grow out your hair more, you would have to like roll it in a, probably in a circular motion or something. So like your hairline, you roll it like maybe every night before you put on your durag, you roll it on the parts where you want the hair to grow. So that way the blood circulation there will flow better, and you will get your hair coming gradually with consistency when you're consistent with it. So yeah, those are the few products for now. So if I get some more products for you, I would be showing you guys. So I implore you to get these few products I've shown you, because you can get them from any store around. So by the time we start the 30-day challenge, you will be able to flow, and we would do it together. So thank you guys for listening to me.